Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento 2. Today we are going to learn how to add the GST in the checkout field, or you can say that the custom field at the checkout. Okay, so let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the test product. Let's try to add this product into our cart. So here we have to add the cart. So let me first of all reload this tab. So log out with this. Okay, so go to the this tab, test product, so add to the cart this product. Okay, go to the shopping cart. Okay, so here you can see that we have GST number, right? So let me fill all the information. Rajni90 at the rate mailinator.com. Okay, so let's go moving to the next. You already have account with us, so 901. So here we are adding in the information, street address and anything, right? Okay, city, zip code, phone number, GST number. So here you can add the GST number over here. Okay, so any of a GST number, right? So this is my GST number. Let's try to save this one also. My billing address, place order, and you can see that my order number is 004. Let's go and check this one. Orders. Okay, so here is 004. View this order. So here you can see that we are successfully able to get the GST information over here. So GST number which we have added over here, so you can see that it's saved over here into the database also. So we, for that saving, we have used the extension attribute XML to save and show the information over here. Okay, so if you want this one to be a full video, I will make a full video on that. So you have to write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.